sound. All right, your lips are very relaxed and they're slightly parted. Okay, can you hear it's quite a long sound? All right, so let's practice some words. If we move on to the next screen, let's have a look at some words and then we'll call some people up. All right, now as you can see, there are the letters that make the sound. The ER, the IR, EAR, UR, and OR. So the first one, ER, perjury. Perjury. Now I'm going to emphasize the ER, and then I will get to the end of the line and go back and say the word as we would normally say it without emphasis, except of course for the stress. All right, perjury, perjury, commercial, commercial, were, verse, verse, infernal, infernal. Okay, so perjury, commercial, were, verse, infernal. All right, the next one is the IR, and that is the same sound of long sound, shirt, first, stir, girl, sir, bird, shirt, first, stir, girl, sir, bird. Now, when you see EAR by itself, meaning that little organ on the side of your head, we have a diphthong there, ear, ear. Okay, that's how you would say that word on its own. Your eyes and your ears. Okay, that's a different sound. But in these words, it makes the sound, not the ear, but the okay, as in yearn, yearn, earn, earn, hurl, hurl, yearn, earn, hurl. All right, and the UR as well. Urge, occur, murmuring, burden, furnace, burn, urge, occur, murmuring, burden, furnace, burn. And the OR, we're usually familiar with this being the sound of or, aren't we? But in these words, it's the sound. Work, worse, world, word, work, worse, world, word. It's good practice here. All right, so remember all of those lovely highlighted groups of letters are all So when you get to the word, remember to say okay, so the girls in purple shirts were urged not to disturb Sir, and now this is Cuthbert. All right, that's the schwa sound there, not Cuthbert, but that's all right. This purple shirt is the worst in the world. I have no words. We were working in the World Bank at first, then we were transferred to the commercial chambers in Perth. There's another schwa sound in chambers. All right, now, shall I read it without sounding like an idiot? Let me try. The girls in purple shirts were urged not to disturb Sir Cuthbert. This purple shirt is the worst in the world. I have no words. We were working in the World Bank at first. Then we were transferred to the commercial chambers in Perth. All right, so when you're reading this, if you're very comfortable, then read it naturally. But if you'd like to practice that sound, then slow down and emphasize those darkened letters, the letters in bold. All right. When I was a lad, I served a term as office boy to an attorney's firm. So that the OR there is not pronounced or, it's pronounced attorney's firm. The rich attorney was good as his word, and every day my voice was heard at the sessions of, should that not be the Old Bailey? Never heard of the Ancient Bailey. All right, we'll say Ancient Bailey.